ever since the war. I knew that humanity was beyond saving. After the bombs destroyed civilization, I've just been fending for myself. Some believe that life is better when you're with others. I've met some so-called friends who, as fate would have it, betrayed me. Being alone for so long has had its toll. It's why I write in this journal. It keeps me sane. It's better than being stabbed in the back.
It's been a while since we've greeted other survivors.
There's a reason why there's so few of us left.
Why is that?
We nomads rely on ourselves. Everyone else who relied on others were betrayed or starved to death.
Well, we're doing quite well here. I encourage you to stay. You look like you haven't eaten in a week.
I simply need supplies. Then I'll be on my way.
For one night, just one night with our hospitality, and we'll let you continue with your usual life.
Fine.
You know, it may not seem like it, but we were all alone at one point, just like you. When I founded this place, I realized that humans are like puzzle pieces. Alone, we are lost and confused. But together, we can create a beautiful picture. Reconsidering?
Ever since the war, I was convinced that humanity was inherently evil, and only monsters could murder their own kind. But after seeing these people, where I see laughter and enjoyment, it makes me think, maybe I can place my faith in humanity again.
I understand. I've been in the same place you were. I believe the only way for us to grow is to grow together and allow ourselves to expand our horizons so that we can create a brighter future for our next generations.
I like that.